What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about we're going to be converting our object into Json format. Okay, so we're going to create let's create another class over here. Yeah, kind of similar what we did in the last video if you're following. But before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We're growing slower by steady. Let's create another class right here. Okay. Um, all right, let's create a class. We're going to call it employee. Let's add it, and we're going to have another class. And right here, we're going to do a public. And right here, we're going to create. I already have some, just to speed up the process. I already have some properties created right here. So we're going to have a first name, last name, email, date, time, birthday. We're going to get rid of this age thing. Okay, so in salary. So now, and then we're going to create our uh, constructor. Going to public employee, and yeah, employee, come on, employee. And now right here we are going to say string. We're going to say first comma, no comma, a string. We're going to say last comma. We're going to say string. We're going to say for email, and then we're going to say birthday. We're going to say daytime. We're going to say we're going to say b-day for birthday, comma, and then we're going to say and for salary we're going to say payment. Okay, so right here we're going to define those. We're going to say first names equals to first semicolon, and then we got last name. We're going to do last, and then we're going to say string. Now we're going to say email equals to em semicolon. Then we're going to have birthday equals to b-day. Okay, and last we're going to have salary equals to payment. Okay, so now we're going to have our we're going to create a function right here, one method, public void, and then we're going to say display employee information. Right, so right here we're going to have, okay, sorry, I already have everything. Let's just, to save time, let's just copy what I have over here, and this is what we have. Okay, we got first name, first name. Also, we got everything. Let's get rid of this H right here because we don't need that. So we got rid of that. Okay, we just need salary, birthday date. Okay, to show date string. Okay, so now if we come to our program class right here, to the main program right here, to our class, get rid of this, our main method right here, we are going to say console that right line line, and we're going to say right here creating employee. Okay, Control D, and then right here we're going to do this, and then we're going to do backslash, as I say, backslash, and the end, and then right here we're going to create our object. Instead of a object right here, we're going to say the following employee, and then we're going to give it a name, and then we're going to say new employee, and then open close parenthesis, and then right here, yeah, I gotta type it, employee. I think I did it right. Yeah, right here, what do we have? We have, let's put my name, Pastor, comma, Canayo for last name, and then let's do my birthday, P Pastor, uh, what is it, yahoo.com, comma, and then right here we're going to say new daytime. We're going to say 1979 1 plus, plus, and I'm going to say 16, and then we just do a comma, and then for the salary we're going to, how much you make a year, let's just do, just for cool, $300,000. That's going to be nice. Semicolon, right? So now, so we need to use this method right here. Let's call that method so we can print out everything what we need to print out in here. So all right, so let's do that. Okay, so let's do right here. Okay, just 1 second, let's do that. Okay, we have all of that, so let's just use our method right here, employee, that, what is it, display employee information, open closing parenthesis, and that should give us our object, right? So we have these values right here. Now we're going to go to, let's close this really quick. Let's just double click right here, no double click, in our convert to JSON, our project name, we're going to say, let's go to manage NugetPackage, and right here let's go to browse, and right here we're going to go to new tons of JSON. Let's install that. Let's do OK, and let's go to dependencies, package. We're going to use that package somebody created. It's right here. We got our new tons of that JSON. Okay, that's pretty cool. So we got that. Now what we're going to be doing, we're going to create another method. We go to our employee. Right here we're going to say public string. We're going to say convert to JSON. And right, we're going to say string JSON equals, we're going to say JSON convert. So what's going on? Let's see. Show potentials using newtons of that JSON. Yeah, we gotta do that, and that should fix that. And then we're going to do the serialize object, and then we're going to use this for this current object, and then semicolon, and then we're going to say return JSON. Okay, and now let's save it. Let's go to our program, and right here we are going to let's comment this out, and we're going to use the string. We're going to say employee as JSON equals to employee that convert to JSON, open close parenthesis, semicolon, and then we're going to pass that in our console, that right lane employee as JSON semicolon. All right, that should be good. Let's see. Let's execute the program, and voila, that got converted into our JSON format right there. Cool beans. So hopefully this helped you in your journey, guys. So thank you for checking the channel, and I will see you next. Okay, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.